Welcome to Sweet Red Poppy. On today's episode, we are going to be creating a no-sew blanket using this Frozen 2 fleece throw kit available from Joann. If you have a Frozen obsessed little one in your house, then this is the perfect homemade gift for the holidays. It's even easy enough that you can invite your child to make this blanket with you. Let's jump right into this tutorial. For this project, you'll need 2 pieces of fleece fabric. A child-sized blanket should measure about 48 inches by 60 inches. Begin by laying out the first fabric in front of you. Your right side should be facing towards the table. Smooth out any wrinkles that you might have in your fabric. Now lay the second piece of fabric on top of it with the right side facing upwards, taking care to make sure to align all of the fabric edges. Once you've laid the fabrics out, trim them to make sure that they're exactly the same size. If you'd like, you can add a few pins to your blanket to secure the fabrics together. Cut a 5 by 5 inch square from each of your 4 corners. Use a ruler to measure your squares. Once you've cut out your first square, you can continue to use this as your template. With a sharp pair of scissors, cut 5-inch strips of fabric that are 2 inches wide all the way around the entire blanket. Begin tying knots at the corner of your blanket, working all the way around the blanket. To tie the knot, you'll hold both of your pieces together and create a knot by looping the fringe and pulling the tail through the loop. Here's my finished Elsa blanket. If you have any questions about this tutorial at all, just leave me a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy. I'll be back next week with another crafty video.